Today we installed what's called a Chlorine Genie. This produces chlorine kind of like a salt system does that you would put on a residential pool. These are starting to kind of go on the commercial pools. This is a double cell system, which means that there's two cells on a bigger commercial property versus, a single property pool. These two knobs right here, indicate the adjustment of amperage for these. You usually want it between 15 amps. Right now we have it off because you guys need to hear what I'm talking about. This is how we turn it on. You can do it for timer. You can do it for just running straight all day long. You can do whatever you want with this. Then if you want to come follow me back around over here, this is where your RO system is, your filter is, your valves that turn the water on and off is, your drainage for your acid, your Venturi system, freshwater hookup, cooling system, and obviously your power outlet system. Then when you come over this direction, this is how it gets feeded back in what's called a Venturi system. So this was plumbed in here, and that's pretty much what you got. Also, what we're doing is replacing this whole system right here that used to have two tanks, one for acid, one for chlorine. It's just a big, fun system to deal with. This simplifies it.